lot of restaurants and cafes in Bangalore which are theme based, where you can read and relax, where spas are integrated. But do you know of a restaurant where technology is integrated and you're served by robots? As soon as you enter this restaurant, you get a feel as if you're entering a sci-fi movie set or an alien spaceship. You get greeted by a robot who takes you to your designated seat. So you order your food using the tablet which is provided on the table. There's a wide variety of food to choose from, be it Indian, Thai or Chinese. The Thai and Chinese food is fusion food which is customized to the Indian taste. The look and feel of this restaurant is very different from what we find in the other restaurants. All the robots have their own name also. The robots are self-controlled and they go on their designated paths. They automatically stop at your table when they're serving your order. You have to pick up the food from the tray that the robot is carrying, and there you have your food, served effortlessly by the charming robots. So my robot's name is Joey and it's gotten yummy biryani for me. For the other side items, you also have a side rail which is used for a few other dishes. So much food! So we have ordered vegetarian Hakka noodles, Chiang Mai baby corn, butter prawn, honey chili chicken, chili prawn, the food is great, the ambience is different, which makes it a perfect go-to restaurant. So let me get a selfie with the robot that served me. Do book your table and come to the robot restaurant in Indiranagar for the amazing experience that I had. So guys, hope you found the video very interesting. Do not forget to show lots of love, share, like, comment, subscribe. See you, ta-da! Don't forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.